ves, compadre? What do you think? Is it better? Otro pelo. It's gonna have a lot more room. See that? I think it's gonna sound hard way. Well, just two bolts which son estas. Y la,
This goes
yeah.
back on this, or just
Yeah. So they send you this attachment with this brace right here, and then it clamps on right here. You know?
Or you can have it like that if you want.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna leave it like that. It's gonna be
Why? You like that?
straight pipe way. Fuck. I just gotta take off this. What is it? A 10. Take off this 10, and then those 13s. And we'll get the tools, take it off real quick. Install the new pipe, yes, sir. Took it.
Damn, that shit comes out good.
Yeah. Hold up, no. Where's the speaker? Where's the speaker?
Right there, Didi. The holes are lined up. Holes are lining up.
Nice. Okay.
You gotta turn it on like that though, Didi.
Yeah.
See how it's on a straight pipe like that.
Can you put on the springs?
Yeah, but
Right
put
there in the-
those fucking bolts on for it.
Yeah, but
It's fucking tilted back here.
hold up.
Alright, hold it right here, Moises.
Where?
Yeah, we're gonna need some longer.
Springs.
Hold it right here, Moises. Put your hand right here. Don't push it up. Just
Oh,
put it like this, like that. No. Don't push it hard. Just have your hand like this.
Right there.
Hold up. Oh shit, hold on, wait up. It slid back. For the exhaust. These.
There you go. Come on, Ryan. I'm telling you, I don't like how that shit's bent. We gotta bend that shit down.
Yeah. We've been down right now once we.
So with the drill?
Probably go to Max right now.
You like
You
to?
do?
Probably. I need to get a haircut and shit.
I gotta say that, dog.
Yeah.
How old are you, Way?
Huh?
Say,
How old are you?
28?
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not 20.
Not 28, dog.
32, man. 32.
What's going on?
No, fool. You put the bolts on first, man. What the fuck, you lie?
Fuck.
Suck it, I can't. Did you back? Yeah, bit of it, man. Sorry, fucking hand me.
What?
What?
Ready or so I can put that one on?
Is it on right like that?
Yeah, I
Where'd
keep
you get
seeing
this
it.
shit at? Did he leave this already?
Hold on.
Huh?
Yeah, this is it. How much? $30.
Huh?
We put it on without it, no?
You can put it on without it.
Dale.
Put your hand right here. I need someone to hold it right here.
And me?
Yeah,
Not me.
Moses wasn't doing a good job holding it. You weren't doing a good job holding it, Moses.
Alright.
That kid Moses face over there. Ah, there it is.
You alright?
She's in there, boys.
Come on, Robert.
Yes, sir.
Where's the string at?
Regular one?
Nah, turn it on the other way. Oh, it just has that shit on it. It's gonna start like that.
Yo tengo
turn it on
un
like
chiquito.
Ready?
Ya no lo ocupo ya.
Just record it.
Huh?
I got no one.
You got one?
No, güey, para quitarle.
That's perfect. Tell me what's phone.
Pero ese, ¿qué le estás diciendo? Babe, I'm right here helping Didi, babe. Send me a picture.
Bueno, plebes, first time out in the dunes con el escape nuevo del RPM. Aquí el camarada Eli me ayudó a instalarlo y pues voy a ir a levantar la suya. I want to go test them out. La de él está stock. So ahí para que mire más o menos cómo está la diferencia del stock al RPM. Algo le sound. We're gonna go try it out. Aquí andamos en Superstition. Alejandro, hold up. Ah, dale. Rev it. Let it move. Bueno, pues aquí andamos instalando la nueva exhaust que me mandaron a RPM. Quiero darle gracias por mandarla. Aquí andamos calando y ahí le va como escucho. Aquí llegamos a los Trestles, pero vamos a ir pasando down. A calarlo. Ready, pa? Ready, pa?
Hey, you flipping?
Watch out, somebody. plebes, aquí llegamos a Sand Dam. Se ve racita, algo leve. Miren nomás. Aquí andamos parqueados. Miren la gente allá arriba. That's crazy, He like go through right there, way. He not down. Por allá atrás, güey, se me hace.
Did you lock the truck or no?
Y... Come on, Bueno, pues, aquí ya estuvo, ya vamos rumbo para la casa. Mi camarada va a comprar una carnita, vamos a hacer una carnita asada. Es el final de este video. El que vean para atrás, miren nomás, placoseando. Voy a grabar más y subir más videos para YouTube y también para el Instagram, ahí para que miren y sigan la página. Ya lo miramos, algo bien.